ADV, crypto level. We use this strategy on a 5-minute candles. In order to use this strategy, we need some criteria to be met. First thing that we are looking at is positive daily average volume. Then is the price to be above or below all the moving averages or 90 days breakout, breakdown. So we want to see clean value charts. Rules. For an uptrend, we bind when the trend is established upward on a value chart. Then we look at the 5-minute chart and we wait for a pullback and for the coin to touch the 12 VNA. Once it touches, we are buying the break of the high of the first ending green candle. Stop loss is the low of the last candle. Profit is 1 to 2.5 risk to reward. For a downtrend, we short when the trend is established downward on the daily chart. Then on a 5-minute chart, we wait for a pullback and for the coin to touch the 12 EMA. Once it touches, we are shorting the break of the low of the first 5-minute red candle. Stop loss is the high of the last candle. Profit is 1 to 2.5 risk to reward. For an uptrend, we see the coin changing or trading in a range, and today we have a breakout or any formation that is good on the value chart. We don't want to buy right away. Then we are looking at the 5-minute chart and we are waiting for stock to go up and come back and touch 12 EMA. But we don't want to buy right away as it captures. We are waiting to see the sign of recovery. So as you could see here, the first time candle touched like here, then we had another candle going down and then another going down. The first candle that was broken on the upside was this candle. And we bought the high of that candle. We put our stop immediately at the low of the last candle. As you could see here, the coin was trading. Then today on a 5-minute chart, coin went up, came back. We bought the breakout at the 5-minute candle. We put our stop loss at the low of that candle and we took our profits once it reached 1 to 2.5 risk to reward. Here is a deeper explanation. So if the coin is going up, coming back down and touch the 12 EMA, this coin is getting our attention. So we set an order to buy if the coin gets over this price or the high of this candle. But this didn't happen. Next candle went down and we set to buy if the coins get over of this price, and that didn't happen again. And next candle went down and we set to buy if the price breaks out the high of this candle. As you could see, the next candle opened, broke a little lower and then came back and started going higher. As soon as we bought this, the price was 10.20. We put our stock immediately at 10.10. So if we bought 1,000 coins, it means that we were risking $100. And that is our 1 hour. We want to take profits at 2.5 bar for 2.5 of our risk. So 10 cents times 2.5 is 25 cents. We set to sell if the price goes to 10.45. Once the price reached 10.45, we sold and we took our profits. The same goes with shorting, just vice versa. If we see a good opportunity or breakdown on a daily chart, then we are looking at the 5-minute chart. As you could see here, the price went down, came back, touched 9 EMA, but nothing happened. It went up again, it went up. First candle that broke down, we were shorting. We put our stop immediately at the high of the last candle, and we took our profits once the price reached 2.5 of our risk. We have some notes for this strategy in order to be more successful. And first line is that small candles are better candidates as they offer a more favorable risk to reward. What do I mean by that? So if you share a coin going up and coming back down, it hatches stealth EMA, and instead of big candle, then we don't wanna buy at that point because it is very hard to achieve 2.5 from that point. But if the candle is small, that is a good opportunity for us. So we are looking for the small candles and we are buying. Also, it is better if the coin behaves stronger at the beginning for an uptrend and then pull back to stealth EMA than if it is opening weak and vice versa for a downtrend. That means that if we see a coin going up and then coming back to stealth EMA, then you are looking to buy, and that is a good opportunity. But if the coin goes just a little up and then coming back, it is not showing any strength and there is no reason for buying that types of coins. This is a very powerful strategy that we use almost every day, and we tested this strategy with a profit of 72% of the time. Great example of our ADV crypto 12 strategy was Bitcoin trading today. On a daily chart, we found a good opportunity, a breakout, and then we started looking on a 5-minute chart. We had a Bitcoin going far from 12 EMA. It pulled back, but it didn't capture the line. Then it went up again and pulled back and touched the 12 EMA line. We said to buy if the price goes over 61,232, but this didn't happen. Next candle went down. We said to buy if it goes over that candle. This didn't happen. Next candle went down again, and next candle went down again. So we said to buy if the price goes over 61,167. Our stock was at 61,130. This time the price broke out. Once the price reached 2.5 of our risk, we could take profits. You can also take a look at the candle. We had a hammer candle that was even a greater opportunity for us to buy. Once we bought, we could follow the volume. We could see rising volume. That is also a good sign that the trend is going in our favor. Another great opportunity was Ethereum trading today. We had a good opportunity on a daily chart. Then we started looking on a 5-minute chart. Ethereum price went too high from 12 moving average. Then it started pulling back. Once it touched, we were looking to go long. It didn't go over the first candle. It didn't go over the second candle, but it went over the third candle. This is very good opportunity because look how small the third candle is. So we bought once it went over the high of this candle, which was 4,484. Our stock was at 4,480. Once the price reached 4,492, we could take our profit with 1 to 2.5 risk to reward. Since the price didn't show any weakness, I would even wait for the next candle, which was this red line, to take my profits with a greater result. An example of shorting ADV crypto 12 was Shiba Inu coin trading today. First, they found a good opportunity for shorting on a daily chart, and then they were looking at the 5-minute chart. The price went down, pulled back, went down again, then pulled back and backed 12 EMA. We set to short if the price goes under 0.00005757. Our stop was at 0.00005804. Once the price reached 2.5 of our risk, we could take our profits. Here is an example of a trade that we didn't take. We also found a good opportunity in a daily chart with ADA trading today. Then we were looking at a 5-minute chart, and the price went too far from trailed moving average. The price pulled back and touched the moving average. The candle that the other made was pretty big and bigger than few previous candles. And we could not expect the price to go 2.5 times of this candle. It was unreal. So whenever you trade, if you have a big candle, it is better not to take the trade and look for the next one.